If you are using GoHighLevel and not getting consistent clients, or you are leaving money like on table. Hey, my name is Anas Tahir and I help agencies and business owners to turn their GoHighLevel into clients generating system. Most of the business I work with them facing the same problems in their GoHighLevel system. Leads are coming in their GoHighLevel, but responses are too much slow, follow-ups are inconsistent, pipelines are messy, and conversions are stay low. And the truth is, it's not a lead, it's a system. What what I do is simple but powerful. I build and optimize a complete client system in GoHighLevel that instantly responds on new leads, automatically follows until they convert, organize your pipelines are clearly, and helping you for booking more and more appointments. I deeply work inside GoHighLevel, especially on funnels, workflows, automations, pipelines, email marketings, email campaigns, snippets, smart list, conversation AI bots. I make sure everything working well and grow your business. Most of the people are just focusing on building funnels and website inside GoHighLevel, but my major concern is to building results for your business, because at the end of the day you don't need more tools, you just want results that work properly to grow your business. If you are serious about fixing your system and converting your clients, then you can reach to me, so we will build for your business that actually work. Thank you so much for your time.